Hello, I'm Maruk Said, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in-depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes.
Bacterial growth and key factors affecting it. Table of Contents. Introduction to bacterial growth and factors affecting growth of bacteria. Generation time. Factors affecting growth of bacteria. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, temperature, pH, light, osmotic pressure. Introduction to bacterial growth and factors affecting growth of bacteria. In humans, the term growth typically refers to an increase in size, for example, from a small newborn to a fully grown adult. While bacteria do increase slightly in size before they divide, bacterial growth refers specifically to an increase in the number of organisms, not their size. Bacterial growth is defined as an orderly increase in all the chemical components of the bacterial cell. Cell multiplication is a result of growth, leading to an increase in the number of bacteria in a population or culture. Most bacteria reproduce through a process called binary fission, where a single bacterial cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. Bacterial growth can be described in terms of cell numbers. One bacterium divides into two. Those two become 4, then 8, and the process continues exponentially. If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated. Generation time. The growth rate of a bacterium is measured by measuring the change in bacterial number per unit time. Generation time refers to the time it takes for a single bacterium to divide and form two daughter cells under optimal conditions. For most pathogenic bacteria like Escherichia coli, E. coli, the generation time is approximately 20 minutes. The generation time is significantly longer for Mycobacterium tuberculosis, about 20 hours. The longest generation time is observed in Mycobacterium leprae, which takes around 20 days to divide. A single bacterium can replicate and multiply rapidly, producing millions of cells within 24 hours. Factors affecting growth of bacteria. The growth of microorganisms, whether in the human body, natural environments, or laboratory settings, is influenced by several factors. Key factors affecting bacterial growth include temperature, pH levels, moisture content, availability of nutrients, presence and characteristics of other organisms in the environment. Oxygen. Bacteria can be broadly classified based on their oxygen requirements into aerobic and anaerobic types. Aerobic bacteria. These bacteria require oxygen for their growth. They are further classified into obligate aerobes, can grow only in the presence of oxygen. Example, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Facultative aerobes. Normally grow in oxygen, but can also grow without it. Example, Escherichia coli. Note, most pathogenic bacteria fall under this category. Microaerophilic bacteria grow in the presence of low oxygen levels and about 4% carbon dioxide. Example, Campylobacter jejuni. Some fermentative organisms, e.g., Lactobacillus plantarum, are aerotolerant, meaning they survive in oxygen, but do not contain the enzymes catalase or superoxide dismutase. Do not reduce oxygen, so harmful byproducts like hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, and nascent oxygen, O2, are not produced. Anaerobic bacteria, obligate anaerobes, can grow only in the absence of oxygen. Examples: Clostridium botulinum, Clostridium tetani. These bacteria lack catalase and superoxide dismutase, making oxygen toxic and lethal to them. If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated. Carbon dioxide. Capnophilic bacteria are organisms that require higher concentrations of carbon dioxide for their growth. These bacteria grow well in environments containing 5 to 10% carbon dioxide, 15% oxygen. A candle jar can create an environment with approximately 3% carbon dioxide. Examples of capnophilic bacteria include Haemophilus influenzae, Brucella abortus. Temperature. The optimum temperature for the growth of most pathogenic bacteria is 37 degrees Celsius. However, the optimal temperature can vary among different bacteria. Based on their temperature preferences, bacteria are grouped as follows: psychrophiles, cold-loving microbes, grow within a temperature range of 0 to 20 degrees Celsius. Most soil and water saprophytes fall into this category. Mesophiles, moderate temperature-loving microbes, grow best between 25 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Most pathogenic bacteria are mesophiles. Thermophiles, heat-loving microbes, grow at high temperatures ranging from 55 to 80 degrees Celsius. Example: Bacillus styrothermophilus. pH. Most pathogenic bacteria grow best within a pH range of 7.2 to 7.6. Only a few bacteria, such as lactobacilli, can survive and grow at acidic pH levels below 4.0. Acids produced during fermentation help prevent the spoilage of food items like pickles and cheese. Vibrio cholerae is an example of a bacterium that can grow at an alkaline pH range of 8.2 to 8.9. Light. Bacteria can be classified based on their source of energy. Phototrophs. These bacteria derive their energy from sunlight. Chemotrophs. These bacteria obtain their energy from chemical sources. Osmotic pressure. Microbes obtain most of their nutrients in solution from the surrounding water. Therefore, osmotic pressure and salt concentration of the environment significantly affect bacterial growth. Due to the mechanical strength of their cell wall, bacteria can tolerate a wide range of osmotic variations. Bacteria that require high osmotic pressure for growth are known as osmophilic bacteria. Sudden exposure to a hypertonic solution can lead to osmotic withdrawal of water, causing the shrinkage of the protoplasm, a process called plasmolysis. Conversely, transferring bacteria from a concentrated solution to distilled water may result in excessive water uptake, leading to cell swelling and bursting, known as plasmoptosis. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button. Thank you!